If you're looking for the next big thing in AI software, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into ConsoleX AI, the latest release that promises to change the game for businesses and digital marketers. But what makes this software stand out? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly why ConsoleX AI might just be the tool you've been waiting for. First off, ConsoleX AI is an all-in-one platform designed to help businesses automate and streamline their digital marketing efforts. With this software, you'll have access to powerful AI tools that can analyze data, optimize campaigns, and even predict trends, saving you tons of time and effort. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to make smarter business decisions, ConsoleX AI is packed with features that could boost your results. But what's even more exciting, ConsoleX AI is completely free to try. Yep, you heard that right. You can start using this cutting-edge software without any commitments. Just click the first link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know about ConsoleX AI. 1. Intuitive user interface. The first thing you'll notice when using ConsoleX AI is how easy it is to navigate. Unlike some AI tools that can be overwhelming, ConsoleX keeps it simple and intuitive. You don't need to be a tech expert to make the most out of it. The dashboard is clean and user-friendly, meaning you can focus on what matters most, your results. 2. Advanced data analysis. ConsoleX AI excels at data analysis, which is a game changer for marketers. The software uses advanced algorithms to dig deep into your data and generate actionable insights. Whether it's tracking customer behavior, identifying trends, or spotting potential opportunities, ConsoleX AI ensures you're making data-driven decisions every time. 3. Automated campaign optimization. Another huge benefit is the software's ability to automate campaign optimization. ConsoleX AI doesn't just help you create campaigns, it continuously improves them in real time. The AI monitors performance and makes adjustments automatically to ensure your campaigns are always running at their best, saving you hours of manual work. 4. Predictive analytics. One of the most exciting features of ConsoleX AI is its predictive analytics. The software can forecast future trends based on past data, helping you stay ahead of the competition. If you're in a fast-paced industry, having access to this kind of insight can be invaluable. It allows you to make proactive decisions rather than reactive ones. 5. Seamless integration. ConsoleX AI integrates seamlessly with other popular tools and platforms. Whether you're using CRM software, email marketing tools, or social media platforms, ConsoleX plays well with everything, ensuring smooth workflows and minimal friction. This means you can keep using your favorite tools while enjoying the added benefits of AI. 6. Customizable reporting. With ConsoleX AI, you're not limited to one-size-fits-all reports. You can customize the reports to focus on the metrics that matter most to you. Whether it's tracking ROI, conversion rates, or customer engagement, the software lets you build the reports you need to monitor your success effectively. 7. Continuous updates and improvements. Lastly, ConsoleX AI is always improving. The team behind it is committed to releasing regular updates, ensuring the software stays on the cutting edge of AI technology. This means that as new features and improvements roll out, you'll always have access to the latest advancements. By now, it's clear that ConsoleX AI isn't just another tool in the crowded AI space. It's designed with simplicity, power, and scalability in mind. If you're ready to get started with ConsoleX AI, make sure to click the first link below to try it for free. And remember, after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've got a list of my top recommendations for you in the description, so don't forget to check those out. Whether you're looking to optimize your marketing, analyze data, or streamline operations, I've got you covered. So, that's the breakdown of ConsoleX AI and why it might just be the best AI software you've been waiting for. Don't forget to hit the link and start your free trial today.